Thinking about forming an LLC? Smart move. It protects your personal assets and adds credibility to your business. Let's run through the key steps quickly. Start by choosing a name. Make sure it's unique and meets Washington's rules. It has to include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC. Use the Washington Secretary of State's site to check availability. If you want to use it online, reserve the domain early. It can cost as little as $5 and saves you hassle later. Then, name a registered agent, someone with a physical Washington address who can accept legal documents. They must be available during business hours and sign the articles of organization to show they agree. You can be your own agent if you live in-state, or hire a service like filingfox.com, which often includes a free year. Next, file the articles of organization. This includes your LLC name, purpose, address, and agent info. You can file online through Washington's Business Express portal or by mail. Fees $100. If your LLC is based outside Washington, you'll need to register as a foreign entity and submit additional forms. Even if it's not required, draft an operating agreement. It outlines ownership, voting rights, and how the business will be managed. It helps avoid confusion, especially with multiple members, and it's often needed for banking or credit. You can find editable templates online. Then get your EIN from the IRS, essential if you have multiple members or plan to hire employees. It's free and only takes a few minutes on the IRS site. After that, handle the basics. Separate your business and personal finances, set up a business bank account and credit card, and file your annual report. It's $60 in Washington. Don't skip insurance and start building business credit right away. Having a website makes you easier to find. Build it yourself or hire help. Just make sure it looks professional. A good accountant can also make your life easier, handling the numbers and helping you plan ahead. If you want help, reach out to filingfox.com or email info@filingfox.com. Getting your LLC started is totally doable. Just stay focused and keep things moving. Good luck out there.